Hey everybody, Michael Tiny Saul. Today is Tuesday, March 29th, 2011, and this video will be further management of the stock watch list that was constructed for the week of March 28th, 2011. This is my YouTube channel, this is how you contact me, and this is how you view my blog. Cree was the first stock that we had on yesterday's management list, so let's look at this one again. We were watching for a break of the low of Monday's candle in order to trigger a short entry. We did not do that. We actually were, the low of the day was still 20 cents away from that low. We wound up going higher, so we're still going to watch this one. There's no actionable trigger here. We're going to wait this out a couple of days. MetaFast, just like an inside bar. Yeah, it's an inside bar on Tuesday. No test of the 20 EMA. And just to be clear, because I did receive an email on this one, I'm not looking to short this into the 20 EMA. I'm looking for a reversal candle at the 20 EMA. So the day that it gets there, that's not the day I'm looking to short it. I'm looking to see if it forms a reversal candle and then gets confirmation. Google had a nice day on Monday with that late rollover, and I was looking at this 10-day moving average for first profits. It wound up going a little bit lower, down to 573, so about almost a $6 gain, and then it reversed and stopped out. The rest break even if you trailed the stop, so a little bit of a gain, but once again, it's only a half-size gain. Prudential. Okay, I was pretty clear that if we broke these lows at 60.15, I wanted to be aggressive with stop losses. Okay, now depending on where the entry was, it's still technically in this one, but stop should be break even on it. Monsanto, okay, same deal. Had a nice follow through early on in the stock, but the low 70.51 was the entry, or you can even go past 70.50, use 70.49 if you want. It went down to 69.03, tested that 10-day moving average at 69.15 and then reversed, so at least partial profits should have been locked on this one. SLV, still giving this one a little bit of time. Want to see if it pops up one more time. Then I'll be looking for potential resistance up at the Fibonacci external retracement. SHLD, okay, traded lower, traded to about, let's see, 77.84, so it was a pretty good gain, but then turned tail, so this one was either a partial profit take or a stop out break even. CMI, okay, CMI we were watching, no trigger on CMI, instead it went higher, so guess what, this one now comes off the list. I'm going to take this one right off the list right now, okay, so that's gone. Rockwell Automation. Rockwell was talking about giving this a little bit more time, seeing what sets up. Okay, it wound up trading higher here. Now, if you were to take this trigger here, the original trigger was a move back into the previous range. So, if you did take that trigger, I mean, then it was a stop out. But I was saying to give this one a little bit of time. FFIV. Okay, we missed the Monday entry because I wanted to give this a little more time, and it's a good thing we did because at best it would have been a break-even stop, if not a loss. So still looking for this one to set up a little bit of a longer kind of pattern. UIS, all right, nothing yet, but stop should be a break-even here. It traded down to the 10-day on Monday, but not even a dollar gain yet. So I don't know if you're going to take profits there, but stop should be break-even. Hess was more than likely stopped out. There was profits on Friday or on Monday when it traded higher. Then the second half was stopped out. Okay, Rig we talked about either being stopped out on Monday or Tuesday. It was stopped out, break even. ARLP, I was talking about really tight management on this one, and it broke higher and then stopped out early in the morning. So it was only a little small stop out on this one, ARLP. And then OIH continued its nice move higher, opened right around where it closed, only got a small little pull in. Let's see it on the 5-minute, right? Small little pull in, and then boom, off to the races. So this one is really, really nice. And it hit the first target, which I said, watch the previous highs up at 165.98. So at least half profits off there. And this was a real nice one. This was like a 5-pointer, and stop should be probably locking in $1 or $2 on this, okay? So that's it. A couple of stop outs for partials. The ARLP is now off the list with a small stop out as well. Any questions, feel free to contact me at tinymjs@gmail.com. Talk to everybody again tomorrow.